baka i-itcha mo yung fragile, ah.
LDGaming.
So what is up, guys? This is Luke once again, and welcome back to LDGaming. So in today's video, as you may have seen by the title, we'll be doing a massive tech unboxing wherein we have collected all of the things or the packages we have received for the past 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, correct, no? And 2 to 3 weeks here in the LDG house. First package! Gago, baka i-itcha mo yung fragile, ah. First package, so it's a box now. Walang label or anything. It's just a barcode of the product itself. So what is this? Oh, so it's a PCIe expansion slot sa computer. So it's a USB port para siya sa what's this? For the graphics card kasi I'm planning to do a mining rig. So ayun yung purpose niya. So it's a mining expansion card wherein you could plug up to 4 GPUs technically because it has 4 USB 3.1 slots. So yun. So that's a good one. So dumating na siya. This one is from Shenzhen ata. I got this there. Tapos they shipped it. Siguro it took 1 month bago dumating. Next package, please. So this one, where's this? It's also from Shenzhen. I ordered it daw nung... Bakit 6? Kala pa 3 weeks ago. May naiwan tayo. This one is 6 June? Screen cable ng laptop to para sa mga nagpapa-repair sa akin. So, yan. It's a laptop screen cable. So, hindi ko pala kung para sa laptop to. Ayun, it's for a Lenovo laptop. So, yan. Next package, please. So, this one is from our technically parang sponsor na rin siya.
Yeah.
So, this one is from Ugreen. Once again, thank you, Ugreen. So, there. So, what's this? It's a pretty big package. Di ba meron pa tayong ibang Ugreen na galing din sa kanila? So, it's a DVI to VGA cable. So, para to dun sa sa mining rig we're planning to build. So, we're testing the waters pa on what graphics cards, what GPUs, what motherboards are we gonna use, what processor, and what are the specs specifically. Pero, one thing is for sure, we'll be using a DVI to VGA converter because DVI ang mostly ginagamit sa pagmamine. Next is this one, yung kasama ng box. This one. This one is a Type-C male to female extension cables. So, I'm gonna use this dun sa rig ko talaga kasi mostly yung phone ko, I use it sometimes for recording. So, ginagamit ko siya to transfer files. So, eto, extension cable para dun sa PC. And mostly yung mga products sa gamit ko, yung gadgets sa gamit ko is Type-C na rin. So, we definitely need that. Next is this one. What's this? Oh, so this one is from Alpha. So, it's their mousepad. It's their XL mousepad. So, yun. Kasama to dun sa magiging upcoming build natin. Most likely next week ata. So, there you go. So, set this aside na kagad kasi since it's for a build, we want it to be clean and stuff. So, yun. Next, please. Yun. Medyo lumaki na yung box natin. So, this one was ordered September 28, last week, from US, California. So, here we go. Woohoo! It's for our new build, guys! So, this one is the ROG Crosshair Hero. So, eto yung Crosshair 8 Hero Wi-Fi edition. So yan, it's the X570 platform. Basically one of the best motherboards out there for AMD as of the moment. So yan. So by this time, alam nyo na kung ano yung next build natin. We'll be using obviously the AMD, which is included here. Ito yung 3800X, as you guys can see. So there we go. Wi-Fi 6 capable. Lahat ng basically ng gusto nyo for an AMD build, nandito na lahat. So there we go. Next up is box, ano na siya, wala siyang box, protective box. So this one will be our RAM. It's the Dell Evo X2 Ryzen edition. So this one is specifically made for Ryzen. It's 16 gigs, CL18, 3600 megahertz, pretty fast. DDR4 memory from Dell. This is fragile, so obviously ingatan natin yung package. Ingatan pero bigat niya. Ooh! Oh my goodness. Parts. Hindi ko ba kompleto natin lahat ng nung parts nung magiging build natin next week. Yun! So this is the Seasonic Prime 850 watts. So this is a gold certified 850 watts power supply for our build. So yun, only the best gold certified na mga power supply. Use that kasi it will protect your investment dun sa mga computers. So yun. Next up is another package. Obviously, this one is from Jiangxi province, China, obviously. Bubble wrap. Ooh. It's the Razer Base Station Chroma. And the other one is another Base Station Chroma na naka-distributor package. For some reason. Dapat retail packaging yung dumating, guys. So yun, being a Razer athlete, yun, I receive things and stuff. Sometimes now. So yun, dalawang Base Station Chroma, obviously it's in black. So black lahat to. It's not the mercurial white or the quartz pink. Never pa ako nakakita ng quartz pink na Base Station, pero I bet it's nice.
Thank you!
Wow! Next up, what's this? It's another package, UPS package from US, obviously. This is our first PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, guys. It's the Corsair MP600 and it's in the 500 gigabyte variant. So yeah, this will be used for our newest build, obviously, since we'll be using X570, the Ryzen one will be utilizing the PCIe Gen 4 capacity of that system, basically. Next up, walang packaging. This is the Razer Viper. So yan. Viper, mas trip natin yung Viper. Basically, mas okay naman yung wireless. Parang, kaso lang, kung ayaw mo talaga mag-charge and everything, Viper, normal lang. It's basically the same. Yun. Next! Hi! Parang alam ko na to. Ito na ba yun? Naka-receive na ba tayo ng allocation? O out of stock pa rin siya? Kung mahilig kayo sa PC parts or you are enthusiast of PC parts, alam niyo yung sinasabi ko, guys. Basically, it's the new RTX 3000 series. Siyempre, nag-order tayo. Ang tanong, nakakuha ba tayo ng allocation basically? Kasi ang dami kong in-order, so hindi ko alam kung nakakuha tayo ng allocation and hindi ko na-check na kung nasama tayo, basically. Siyempre, alam niyo, ang daming bots, ang daming everything. It's a GPU nga from Asus, guys, pero hindi ko pa alam kung ito yung RTX na in-order natin. Kasi alam ko nagkaubusan ng stock eh. So hindi ko alam kung nasama ba ako doon sa allocation nila ng RTX 3000 series. So obviously, we have another one here. It's a hard drive, guys. Ito ata yung ano, para sa ano natin, build. Kasi syempre, PCIe Gen 4 medyo mahal pa. We don't want to risk on buying a 2TB PCIe Gen 4 drive. So we'll be using the WD Blue 1TB 7200 RPM na hard drive. Ang sad, guys! Wala. Sad. Pwede ko din tayo nakakuha ng allocation for the 3000 series. Kasi hindi siya yung 3000 series, guys. RTX 2080 siya. Well, I'm happy. I'm using the RTX 2080 right now from MSI, yung Gaming X3. It's one of the best iterations of the RTX 2080 series. But sadly, we have the RTX 2080 here, yung dual fan version ng Asus. So, since wala yung RTX 3000, we will be using this one for the upcoming build that we will be having. So, happy pa rin, syempre, this is a 2080. Okay pa rin siya for all the games that you will be playing. Since hindi pa naman natin may-utilize yung as you may have seen some of the reviews from famous YouTubers, hindi siya ganun ka-different from playing games, but it's definitely gonna be better for professional work like editing, work-intensive loads, graphics design, and stuff like that. So, yun. Next up, it's not a sealed package. What's this? Oh, it's a laptop battery. So this one is a laptop battery for my laptop, guys. It's the N550J8 from Asus. Yes, I'm using a 5-year-old laptop from Asus. I'm using it as a office laptop, plus an everyday laptop. Pero for gaming siguro, since I only play most of the time ngayon mga esports titles, MOBA, yun. Okay naman siya. Okay pa rin naman yung graphics niya. But definitely, I will be upgrading. I will be definitely upgrading in the future. So, subscribe, guys, para makita nyo kung ano yung laptop na ipapalit ko doon. So, yun. Next package is a package from China, Beijing. Hotonics Technology. And it's a Pantex fan. It's the Securon RGB. It's a digital RGB fan from Securon metallic gear. So this will be used for our new build. So in addition to the fans that it's included from the case. So yun. Next is this one. It's another box from. It's the new Huntsman Elite. Oh my god. Ito yung yung may RGB yung wrist. Unfortunately, hindi to para sa akin. Para to sa customer ko. Mahal lang keyboard na to, guys. Kung alam nyo lang. So yan, in-order niya sa akin to. Ngayon lang siya dumating. So if you want pala Razer parts, please order them through our LDGaming Facebook page. And I'll promise you, you will get it's a lower price compared to others. So, yun. Next package! Huwag mong i-itch. Ang laki niyan. Obviously, medyo tanong niya. It's from Edifier, guys. So, yun, guys. This is the Edifier M3086. It's a 2.1 PC system audio system unit. So, yun. It has a big subwoofer, tapos dalawang array channels, tapos meron siyang controller. Definitely very, very, very nice. Marami pa.
So, maglinis pagkatapos
So obviously, since alam niyo na malaki itong case na to, yung box na to, it's a case.
Sama.
So it's a case, obviously. Hala! Butas yung box. Fragile o binagsak nila kuya to. So this is our case from Pantex. It's the Pantex Eclipse P350X. Obviously hindi nakita sa sa camera. So yan. It's a DRGB case. It's obviously very nice since it's from Pantex. Definitely a fan of their cases. Maganda talaga yung quality. So, yan. It's from the Netherlands. And, pero pa, ilang box pa.
Ang sakit ng shoulders ko.
So, yan. Last package. This one is from Korea.
안녕하세요.
Woohoo! So, basically guys, ito yung pinaka-iintay ko basically.
Wala, dalawa.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Kaya isa.
So, basically it's the same. Hoy, hindi mo ko iuwi ah. Dali mo lang dyan ah.
Thank you. Hindi na ako.
So, this is the new monitor from Samsung. It's the CRG5, Samsung Odyssey CRG5 gaming monitor. It's a curved monitor. Siyempre, we are a fan of curved monitors from the start. I'm using the old Samsung curved FreeSync monitor. This one is the new Samsung Odyssey 24-inch CRG5 curved gaming monitor. It has an 1800R curved screen rate and a 144Hz refresh rate. Obviously, hindi natin kinuha yung 240Hz na bago, yung 27-inch. Kasi, first 27-inch siya, medyo nalalakihan ako. Next is that, medyo steep yung price, medyo mataas yung pricing pa niya dito sa Philippines. Nasa around 20,000 ata siya. Pero alam ko makukuha mo siya ng around 17 kung international. So, medyo mataas pa yung price. So, hintay muna tayong konti. So, we have two of this. So, alam niyo na, we will be doing a dual monitor setup in the future, which would be next week, guys. So, yun. Wala nang boxes, no? Wala tayong na-miss out. Correct. So, yun. There you have it, guys. We have unboxed everything. So, as you guys can see, it's mostly the parts of the upcoming build. Pero meron din other stuff like yung mga parts ng peripherals, mga computer, mga laptops and stuff. So, yun. There you have it, guys. If you like this content or if you like what I am doing, please subscribe to LDGaming. Please like this video. And if you want things that that you want me to review in the future, please comment down below. And if you don't, you know what to do, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. This is Luke, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, guys.